Virtual and augmented reality will forever change how we learn. People think and act in three-dimensional space. However, when we learn, we often resort to paper and PDF. With VR and AR, you can learn practically and safely. You can get virtual hints in the real world, and you can learn together, worldwide, and even without physical presence. For learning, virtual and augmented reality are often the better reality.
However, there are challenges that often prevent widespread use.
Individually programmed trainings are usually expensive to create.
Every time a change is made, courses must be reprogrammed and reinstalled on all devices. Finally, VR and AR are often considered separately, leading to double costs. We solve all these challenges with 3Spin Dream, our VR and AR platform.
With 3Spin Dream, companies, agencies, and we can create trainings easily and consistently without any programming. You can edit, select, and distribute courses to hundreds of devices worldwide in seconds. And even if you're just starting out with VR and AR, 3Spin Dream is the right solution because you can quickly test your ideas at low cost.
Als Teilnehmer am Partnerprogramm gehört 3Spin zu den weltweit führenden Anbietern von Mixed Reality Technologie.
Dream ist für mich im Moment das einzige Lernportal, was ich mir persönlich genau ansehen würde.
This is our Dream Team, and we look forward to talking to you.